Good morning, guys. It's Monday. We're out here with the Corolla again. I'm gonna try to just do a real quick video on how to change the air cabin filter. So I got this from Walmart. It's part number CF10285, and it is for the 2010 Corollas. So let me get in the car and we'll see how quick we can do this. I believe it should be back here behind the glove box. Yeah. So right in here should be our air filter, and it's there. I don't know how old this is. I don't know how disgusting it's gonna be. Oh wow. That is disgusting. So that's why we're changing it, because it is absolutely gross. So go ahead and get the new one out of the box here. Of course, it's in the plastic wrapper. Why not? Alright guys, so we got the new one out of the box. I looked at the old one and the airflow arrow pointed up on that one. So I'm going to go ahead and install this one with the lettering upside down with the airflow going up. So should just slide right in. That should be that. And take your cover and snap it back in, and that's it. Just lift this back up, it should automatically pop back into place, and then we can go ahead and put our paperwork back in the glove box, and we are done. So pretty simple procedure. Just drop the glove box down, pull out your retainer, slide the old one out, which is absolutely disgusting. Pop the new one in, put the cover back on, lift your glove box up, and you're done. So thanks guys for tuning in to a simple do-it-yourself how-to video. Like always, share, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.